Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be jumping into an unboxing of what I am not sure of just yet. I came home to a package on my porch today and I'm not really sure who it's from, but I've been applying to a lot of different campaigns lately. I've not heard back on any, actually I take it back, I've heard back on one campaign, but I already received the PR package for that campaign, which is why I'm really confused with what this is. So yeah, we're gonna open it on camera and see what it is. So I went ahead and cut open the box off camera just because I knew it was gonna be really loud. And it is a box inside of a box, and it looks really cute. Happiness inside, glow within. Is it skincare? I don't remember applying. No, I did apply for one skincare one. Poppy Jane. Why does that sound familiar? We're gonna open her up. This is what she looks like. Let's see what we got inside. Cute! I know what this is now. It's not Poppy Jane. I don't have my glasses on, and at first glance that looked like it said Poppy Jane, but it's Poppy Jamie. It is the author of the Happy Not Perfect diary that we gave out as Pink Campus reps over the last couple years, but she gifted all of the reps a copy of her book as a present during our end of the year party, and I forgot we were getting this. Super cute. There's a card. I'll read that after I read the inside of the box. It says, "Hi gorgeous, I learned the hard way about what can happen when we don't look after our mental health, but I also learned how I could change it. Here's a little something to help you glow from the inside out for healthier thoughts and skin. I hope you enjoy my debut book, Happy Not Perfect, sharing the life-changing power of flexible thinking and my favorite way to take time out with the Vitality Treatment Mask by," I'm gonna say this name wrong, Reno Lazalo. If I'm saying it wrong, I am so sorry. I suck at pronouncing names. I always pronounce people's names wrong. This mask is a game changer. Your support means the world to me. Love, Poppy Jamie. This is super cute. So it includes the face mask that she was talking about, and then her new book. And what does it say over here? It says 4 steps to a happier, more flexible you. Mix and apply the treatment mask. Read a few pages from the Happy Not Perfect book. Feel the glow from inside out. Reuse this box to collect happy memories. Oh, that's cute. I honestly will probably do that. A lot of our like bigger boxes that we get as Pink Campus reps come in these super cute and aesthetically pleasing boxes, and they're all recyclable. So I haven't gotten rid of them yet, and if I ever do, I will recycle them. But I'm trying to count. I've got 4 over there. Got the one we got at the beginning when we got our like welcome box. We got the Christmas box, Earth Day, Women's Day, and then I got a couple of shoe boxes over there. But yeah, they're all super cute boxes. I will definitely keep this. Probably as like a little time capsule box to put some like notes and photos and stuff in. But anyway, and also in here were the face masks. It says there's 4 masks in here. They have provitamin B5 and magnesium carbonate. I can't talk tonight. But I'm really, ooh. Wait, I thought there was only 4. Step 1. Oh, mix them together. Okay, I see. So there's like a little packet that has like the powder inside of it, and then there's these like little tubes with like the liquid. So you like pour it in and mix it up, and then it's got a little applicator to put it on your face. So I will definitely be doing my face mask while I read and relax, probably with a glass of wine, but you know. This was super cute. Also, I just read the card that was in the box. It's handwritten. At first I was like, surely it's not handwritten. It's probably she just wrote it and then like printed it onto a bunch of cards. No, the ink transferred to my hand, and then I started looking at it and I'm like, nope, there's indentations and stuff in the card. She definitely hand wrote this note, which is super sweet because there's a lot of campus reps, so the fact that she took the time to handwrite all these notes is very touching for me. I'm super sentimental, and like I've always had a thing for like handwritten notes and letters, and so this is super sweet. It says, "Dear Kayla, sending you so much love. This book contains all the things I wish I knew 12 years ago. Our mind can be challenging, but the best part is that it can change. Leaving you with my favorite quote. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity." That was Albert Einstein. It says, I hope to see you soon, and please let me know if I can support you in any way. Love, Poppy. I am putting this on my desk with all of my other super sweet notes that I have from Pink over the last few years and all my sentimental stuff. But that is it for the unboxing. I definitely needed this today. It was the serotonin boost that I needed. Like I said, I completely forgot they were sending us this book, but the whole like package with the face mask and handwritten note, all of it together was just a very nice surprise, and I can't wait to start reading this book. I'm probably going to start reading it tomorrow, knowing me. But that is all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned because I have several videos recorded already. I am about to edit my butt off this weekend to get a bunch of videos ready and scheduled to post so I can get back into the game, because I know I have been gone for far too long. Like I said, last year was a long year, but we've got lots planned, and I can't wait to share it all with you guys. But until then, bye!